Sibai vele eve kole hei tun tuma chon video pat ni vel karon en ti rang chunga pakhat chu gowa lama thil thlengte aria hei kan soi ngun tua kan soi mol mola ama ro chu awareness in pek tam tluk omin ka shilova achan chu tuna Mizoram kan tin mun mek ania kan hun ton chho mek ania in soi mol mol mai nga sheber kan ni lawanga athiam ber kan ni lawa ama ro chu acha le apoi mo chin kan riat ve ang angte mitam zo kina tin thre thiam lo tam takte dama heng chungchanga te kan film khur zok na na kan in shil mol mol hi poimo ko pin karia hei he vainu hian Mizoram a vlog tam takron siawa stage sang sang local kwal to ania henuina Mizoram mu dan le asoi dan hi han ngai thataila chumin huwa goa thil thleng mak deuh mai kanen ho bok donia.
Girls, I have a confession to make. Boys, I don't know how you're going to take this video, but I have met the creepiest of men since I started traveling. From men staring at my legs when I wore shorts and seeing me as a commodity rather than respecting me as a human.
Mei chete dan in pona tur kanaya kazin kwal nu hian thil tam tak katonga mipa mak tak nung chang mak tak tak a khosate tin pon fencing ka fe na mishing pa ngai anga min ngai aya in zuar le khatiang angchia min en zor sum anga min en kha ka mu fo thina ka tong fo thina ti na te pon yang chu
To men catcalling me on the streets of Hyderabad, being groped in Vrindavan during Varsana Holi, and even nearly getting assaulted on a beach in West Bengal. I have experienced it all since I started traveling.
thil tam tak katonga Hyderabad a phei chuan chhainom na katonga tin West Bengal beach a tuipui kama phei chuan assault ka to khiala ati hei hi nge tharum zong ani mai thei kut thoba fiam na emo khatiang angkha ani mai thei ket calling kha kut chongka awa chaina kha nia assault chu tharum kut te po te la neng chu chung te po chu ka zin nu hian ka tok nual to ani ti na soya.
And honestly, I think at this point I have accepted it as a part and parcel of being a woman traveler that I know that men out there would probably never understand. But never in all my life have I felt like I was being respected as much as I was when I landed in Mizoram. Never in all my years of traveling have I had a man come up to me very, very respectfully and tell me, looking at my face and not anywhere else on my body, that, ma'am, you look beautiful in the most innocent and no expectation way possible. And that is what happened with me in Mizoram. At the moment I heard it, I felt like I'm gonna cry. He was just scared.
Thil sang sang ka tong nual to heng chu mei chia zin thin tena an ton ve tu renga te po ka ngaya mi pa te chun an hriat thiam kher po ka ring lawa a mai ro chu thil mak tak ka nuna kala ton ngai ro le ka hriat ngai ro ka zin nu phei chuan kala ton ngai reng lo thil chu Mizoram a ka tonga hetiang em mi pa ina za takamin en chunga madam imoi lu tuk tia min shilna na ina hle mai tia min shilna hi kala tong ngai lo ni Mizoram a chuan ka taksa khoi lai dang ma en lovin ka mela min ena ka maya min ena tiang chuan min bia a za takin min bia ril ru thiang lim takin ani ril ru kha tel lo kha di chu chu Mizoram ka thil ton chu kha thil ka hriat khan ka nu ka ti ul le utla tani tien asoi ka le dan hin do thu sa memo.
The moment I heard it, I felt like I'm gonna cry. He was a caretaker at the Solomon Temple in Aizawl City, and he was such a sweet old man. And over the 12 days that I spent in Mizoram, I realized that men over there in general are very respectful towards women. And I felt like, bhai, ye jagah India mein kaise? And most importantly, safety was a given. It was not a privilege. It was a basic human right, as it should be. But unfortunately, it's not the same case in most places across the country and even the world, I guess. So Mizoram, thank you. A genuine, heartfelt thank you for making me feel this way. For making me realize that being a woman traveler doesn't mean that you have to be okay with getting catcalled or stared at or just in general being disrespected. It just can mean that you are a human being and you are safe, and that men would not look at you with lewd eyes or with other intentions. And you can just walk about on the streets even when it's dark.
Hemi soitu hi he putar hi ani om takani Solomon temple en kol tu ania me fel tak mai ni Mizoram a hian ni som pani zet mai ka cha ma chumi chhunga ka hria chua chu at nol puin Mizo mi pa te hian mei chia te min za ma min za thiam ma ani lo zong in mit en lowa mei chia ten za mai ni hi India ramani amak zo kan ti na soini tin ral mon na him na hi an ma ani hian an om dan phung hina keng tel shim shim ani hi India ramai ni lawa khovel pum huwa pa po hetiang ang hi chu awang viewin arin ina soya tin atop nan hian Mizoram chunga lom thu ka soi dowa hetianga him tak ani ti min hriat tirna him takin kan zin the ni ti min hriat tira zalian takin moi lo takamin chaite moi lo takamin en tu te adik lo zonga min thira hur herna zonga min lo thira mo khatiang anga min en an lo te tin eng huna po kal suakila zana po meichia kan nia te chuakila engma a him lo na mo anom lo na tur engma lo ani tin atop na aran siamani kan soi bel dolok chu henula hi ate tam ang renga te bai te Mizoram chung khan mon sang sang akal kuala ke pon ka mu fowa Mizoram chung khan mi sang mi tam tak dorin taxi te thleng poina kal kualina dora anina taka chuan mizo mi pui nol puite hi abik takin mi pate soina mundanga hian kal taila India ram mundanga hian han kal taula mizo mei chiate tlemain channel to chon zui hut hutang chon chibai hut hutang chunga no pangpon thlan lak pui hut hutang chu tong kam moi lo mi pa tak ngial pon vai no pang hal deuh chaina hi kan tong thin ani chu tiang vel chu ni chu tiang laka chuan danglam hlak kan ni kan danglam khop mai chung chu ania chuanin he nu po hian a thin lung takin a lom thu soya tiang khan social media lama pholanga na sa takin mizote min choi moi min fakani chu chu eng wange ti chuan kan mizo mi pa te omdan kan nun pung pa ngai kan lo nun mai khan Mizoram kan choi moi ni video masa kan tilan he ta hun thar peng lama mel run ang chi lo chon chai phet tum le lo ko phet tum ang chi type ang kha ka soi to kha a thalai te chu kan zia viawa heta a patling de uto ho big takin zuina ti boy zu rui hlawa po zuina ti boy ho hi an ti de run ching hi pawalai lampang to hian an le thina heng ho hi kalo hlau thon pui thin te an nia chung ho ba ka chuan thalai lampanga chuan mi an educate lutuk ho hi ka soi de bolani chu chung ho laka po chuan chung ho po chu awareness kan in pek na sat viawanga ya ho te ming che huk thei kan ni okan ming thatna zong ka ti fo thin kha ti chuan hetiang tho hi tun hnai te a goa thil thleng bad experience ve thung na poida umai inen ho le lok te ngo Czech Republic mei che pakhat chu agoda beach goa a bei atoka ati boy tu hi darkar somni pali chunga man ani tin chanchin thara mon sang atarlan ani he thil thlen hun hi ni kwa February dar som le minute som panga chu malam kha ania agoda cliff mun thil thleng ania he thil thlen huna hian he an man ta khian foreigner Peter pakhat chu a in nial puya anin nial fe nuwa kutte thakin lungmang te na beya he Peter hian liam atuara liam na takatuara damdoi lama en colony tin police lam chuan an soini he thil ti tu hi kum som ni pani mi ni in police ta chuan man ngalin he thil thlen da CCTV footage te po an en let ngal ani kanokona police station a February ni som khan complaint zialu ania Bharatiya Naya Sanita section za som pasari na voluntarily causing grievous hurt panga case zialu ani tinan soya he case he section ami hi kumsari thleng lungin ta na shem the ani police sona tira chon he thil thleng titu hi kan hre thei mai lawa amaro chu police ten mun changa evidence te la khomin CCTV atang tia la khomin theito pachui ngal ania Inspector Pravin Gawas kai chhoina hnoya he nu chui na hi tho ania sub divisional police officer Nilesh Rane an he thil hi supervise ve thung ani he attacker che dan song hi en thli thlai zui ania technician ten uluk taka an chui nuwa he machine ni nge ya lang he poi khoi tu ni nge ya lang rohan velip kumsom ni pani mi benordem balia cheng chu nilai ni khan man ania thuzo fia turalak ani nuwa police te ma a thil ti hi apuang ta ari ti in police lam chuan an soini he thili case kallai ania na chui ngai ang te chu police ten an bo zuin ma an lak chun zom zel don ani ale kha thil thlen dan chu ni Peter ania Peter to kum upalam to nia Czech Republic lama tanga ron zin ania te hian in nial mai po du tok lovin kutan thlak na tak mai kutan thlak tu ania zia lo thin khop maya kum som ni pani mi lek le ngal soi tong khan hi karon tun mai ani min mai thil thleng ani ani min maya an man ta kani a ron taran tel du kherna chan chu heng tiang hi a thleng ani thleng zeu zeu ani tong kai emo engemaw lo wa fiam mai emo lampang kha ani mai lowa scam te da chu soi lowa lu mari tam tu ru to ka chung mai di lo tharum tho na manga khwal jin te lo mai bau be mai te lo rok mai te le khang kha india ram hun dang a hian a thleng thina him lo zia te pon soi thina chu tiang ani kara Mizoram hiti tak maya min faka min la soi moi vut mai hi chu alomam tak zeta ka soi fo thinang khan heng min fak na te min soi moi na te kan polai na te kan culture te kan nun pung shim le kan in khom dan te thlengin heng awang hian khwal jin kan hi pania chu mi en tur te kan tlang moi tak te thlir tura ron kalan ni chu wang chuan polai chun zom zeli la kan meng that na hi I chom nung zelang u tin war zokin kan ron tar lang zel do ni hetiang chon chang hi ti zo next video po tiang lam thau hi ron ti lan le kan tumang manners chung chang bik